Pause for a moment and stay until the end. If your mind feels restless and your heart feels tight, this prayer is for you. Anxiety often speaks loudest when we are tired and overwhelmed. Right now, God is inviting you to slow down, breathe deeply, and release what you are carrying. Stay with me as we pray. Peace is not far away. God is closer than your anxious thoughts. Anxiety often shows up as constant thoughts that refuse to slow down. Your mind keeps replaying worries, questions, and fears about what might happen next. God sees this inner struggle, even when no one else does. This season is teaching you how to bring every thought into His presence. You are not weak for feeling this way. God is gently guiding your mind toward rest. Anxiety does not only affect your thoughts, it weighs on your heart as well. You may feel pressure in your chest, tension in your body, or exhaustion without a clear reason. God understands how heavy this feels. He is not disappointed in you for struggling. This prayer is an invitation to release that weight into His hands. You were not created to carry this alone. God's peace does not arrive by force. It settles gently when you allow Him to lead. In this moment, He is calming what feels overwhelmed inside you. Anxiety may still whisper, but it no longer has control. God is teaching your heart how to rest without fear. As you breathe and listen, His presence is bringing steadiness where chaos once lived. Right now, God is inviting you to breathe deeply and release control. Anxiety tightens when we try to manage everything alone. This moment is teaching you how to surrender without fear. Each breath is a reminder that God is present and attentive. You do not need to solve everything tonight. Peace begins when you allow God to carry what overwhelms you. God is not asking you to fix your anxiety before coming to Him. He meets you exactly where you are. In this season, He is teaching your heart how to rest without answers and trust without certainty. What feels fragile is being held gently by His presence. As you remain here, your thoughts begin to slow, and calm starts replacing the pressure inside. As you stay present in this prayer, peace begins to replace tension. God is gently quieting the noise that anxiety created inside you. What once felt urgent is losing its power. Your heart is learning that it does not need to stay on alert. God is restoring balance within you, reminding your spirit that safety and calm are found in His presence. God is calming your mind, thought by thought. The racing ideas that once felt uncontrollable are beginning to slow. You are learning that peace does not come from answers, but from presence. In this moment, God is teaching your mind how to rest without fear of what comes next. His peace is settling gently, bringing clarity where confusion once lived. Anxiety often comes from feeling unsafe about what lies ahead. In this moment, God is reminding your heart that you are not unprotected or alone. His presence surrounds you even when the future feels uncertain. You are learning to rest in His care instead of fearing tomorrow. God is building a sense of safety within you that does not depend on circumstances. Anxiety weakens when you stop trying to control every outcome. In this moment, God is teaching you how to release what you cannot manage alone. Trust is growing as you place your worries into His hands. You are learning that peace flows from surrender, not from certainty. God is showing you that letting go does not mean losing. It means being carried. God is calming your heart at a deeper level now. The tension you have been carrying is slowly loosening its grip. You are realizing that you do not need to stay alert or guarded every moment. God is reminding your spirit that rest is allowed here. As His peace settles, your heart begins to feel lighter, steadier, and more secure than before. Right now, God is quieting the noise inside your mind. The racing thoughts that kept returning are losing their strength. You are not failing because you feel anxious. You are human, and God knows this. His presence is slowing your breathing, easing the pressure, and reminding you that you are safe in this moment, held and protected by Him. As you remain here, God is replacing anxiety with peace. What once felt overwhelming is now being gently softened. You may not notice everything changing at once, but something inside you is settling. God is teaching your heart that peace is not the absence of problems, but the presence of His care surrounding you right now. Before you leave, seal this moment in faith. Declare it with your words, and let your spirit agree with heaven. Peace is not temporary. It is your portion today. If this prayer spoke to you, write in the comments, "I am blessed." And also declare, "God's peace lives in me, and anxiety no longer controls my heart."